Letting y'all know before this upload begins, this is it. Your last chance to win the Supra and the Bronco. Your last chance to get entered. Countdown timer is up on the website, but right now every $1 spent equals 5 entries to win. 5 for the Supra and 5 for the Bronco. $1, 10 entries in total. So make sure you get something cool, hit that link, and help support a great cause, the Hurricanes Heroes charity. Again, this is your last chance to enter, guys. Good luck.
All right, good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the channel. I don't normally start out whispering, but there's the car. Today we're playing a little prank on our neighbor, or not really a prank, but a surprise. So you guys all know Neighbor Rich has been an awesome neighbor. I moved in 2017, and I had a pretty loud cammed C5 at the time. You know, I was like, well, I'm not sure if the neighborhood's gonna like it and what my neighbor's gonna think, because his house is pretty close. And he came over and loved it. Didn't know he was a huge Corvette guy, and we got along from day one. And he's been on the channel many times. He's coming over, so I'll talk about him later, but I have a huge surprise for his car today. Actually, 2 surprises from CORSA. There you are, retired man with his coffee. There it is. Well, it's Sunday anyway, but
absolutely.
Heck yeah, buddy. So I am trying to do a little garage update. Okay. And I want to tell people about my Corvette, but I no longer have a C7. Okay. Well, I do. I own it, but it's not here. Yeah, it's
not here yet.
So, like, your car is going to be the stand-in. Okay. If you don't mind.
I don't mind at all. Here you go, my friend.
Well, that was easy.
Yeah.
You know, most people don't have a neighbor where you just get a free car for the day, but...
Go for it.
Yeah, so I'm going to do a little POV drive of a convertible C7 Z06.
Take the top down. You're going to
enjoy. So how do I do that? How do I take the top down? Oh.
There you go. This is the way you do it.
I'm about to embark upon the ride of the Neighbor Rich mobile. Wow, that is pretty cool. I will admit that's cool. Yeah, manual too. Rich spec'd it nice. Now, like I said, I harassed you for about
and you did harass
2 years
to
order one. I am a bad influence here. You did a great job. Got the adrenaline red interior, carbon accents, carbon dash, red paddles, red stitch, and manual. The chrome. Yep, and the manual. Very rare, unique spec for sure.
I tried to actually get GM to give me an idea of how many of these were actually made.
Like in your configuration?
In this configuration. I mean, when you start doing the carbon stuff, there's nothing. But
yeah,
when you look at just manual red convertible Z06,
not many.
Probably down to about 10.
I'm ready. Well, thank you very much. Do you want to drive the Viper or anything?
No,
okay.
No, I'm good.
Because we can swap. Or...
Well, we already did.
Yeah, but if you haven't driven it.
I just uploaded that.
Yeah, that's actually why the C8 video. So Rich, if you don't know, Rich does have a channel. He's got the Neighbor Rich channel. And you uploaded a video of you driving the C8.
Yes.
And I was like, well, you know, it's kind of fun to switch. So I was going to hop in this real quick.
Had a gorgeous day.
Yeah, I know. It is a great day for it. So.
Yep, no problem.
All right. I don't know if I remember how to drive a real manual.
Yeah, right.
I might have to ask you for a lesson.
You know what? There's a really good video on that by Street Speed, that how to drive a manual. Oh, yeah.
All right. Oh, it's quiet.
We might work on that.
I'm not used to that.
We'll have to work on that one, all right?
I can't even hear it. Step 1 of my evil plan is complete. We have the car. Now you'll notice I parked the truck here to hide what we're doing. I could have taken the box over in the truck, but I figured that would be too long. I want to get this done because he's out. The car, like, it worked out perfect. Great success. We made it out of the neighborhood and we are in the Z06. I can't wait. Like, I don't know, I feel like I'm not a good actor. I like to be excited, I like to be loud, and you know, I was kind of like low-key over there trying to play it cool. But I will say, being in a manual C7 again is fun. I have not been in one in quite some time. Got our box in the passenger seat, and luckily it is a convertible because it would not have fit in the coupe. So we got that going for us. He's gonna be so freaking pumped about this. I think he'll love it. Luckily, if it's too loud, which it's the CORSA Extreme, it will be very loud. But if it's too loud, he can take it back to stock. But I think he'll like it. So he got this car in, I think, mid to late 2018. So about 3.5 years ago now, and he has 3,500 miles on it. He does not drive it that much, but he really, when he does drive it, I know he enjoys it. Let me give you a quick downshift. Go. It's not bad. Because it doesn't have like that much power, you can have so much fun with it. What is up, buddy? Right up on the ramps? Am I lined up? Okay. We'll give you guys a rev here. Not bad, again, like not awful. Sounds good, just not loud. Yeah, leaves a bit to be desired. We'll fix it. I made sure to drive like an absolute grandma. It should be very cold for you, Curtis.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I can feel it already.
Well, you know me, I don't go above 3,000 RPM ever. So Corsa actually sent an intake as well, but I figured I would let him do that for a video. I want the exhaust. So Corsa, big thank you to them. They actually, when I told them the idea, our boy Sean said, we'll sponsor it, which is really cool. So thank you to them. I haven't had a whole lot of Corsa. I had one on my car for the longest back in the day. And then when I went to the whole new setup, I haven't really needed an exhaust for a Corvette anymore. But Corsa is a great company if you guys are looking for an exhaust setup. And the Corsa Extreme, in my opinion, is the best for the C7. It sounds ridiculous, but in a good way. Ridiculous in a good way. Connectors, foam, little over axle pipe there. There's one. Corsa Extreme. So he is gonna lose his valves as well. So there will be no quiet mode at all, which I'm a fan of. I can hear him coming now. And the tips should be in that box that Curtis has. Check them bad boys out. Now I did go, normally for my cars, I go with the black chrome, but for his car, given the chrome wheels, I figured the polished would be a little bit better for him. Not only too, like, yeah, the Corsa is a great audio upgrade, but it's also a really nice visual upgrade too, because you're going from the factory little trumpets there to these big boys. They fill out the hole a little better and they're way bigger.
That's what she said.
License plate off, 2 bolts, 2 of the little connector pieces of it's actually a pretty easy install. Curtis has done it a million times now. I can't resist, since we're here anyway, let's do a little Supra merch plug. Just got this in the Come and Take It Tropical Bundle box. You get a koozie, a t-shirt, key tag, detail spray, and those are up on the website. We got the dog toys, the Frisbee, the pack of balls. We sell packs of 3 in red, white, and blue, of course. Ukrainian Come and Take It shirt, the Gun Evolution shirt. All of those are knives. This is one of them, but we have many more on the website, as well as the Come and Take It knife. Got the Middlesworth barbecue chips, a PA favorite, the best chips on the planet. Wallet's right there. If you remember, a wallet won our last winner, the Ram TRX. Literally, he bought a wallet because he just wanted a new wallet, and it got him a Ram TRX. Not a bad deal. We have the Fast and Furious / Supra merch over here, the Racer's Edge, of course, the famous parts and performance store from the movie, tuna, no crust, and the A90 Supra there with a mix between the Mark IV and the Mark V, and then the Supra Generation shirt, the full 717 detail line with the microfiber, don't forget that, and the Tasty Cakes. These cakes are great. And again, they might come with a brand new Supra. Hit that link down below, grab some cool merch, win yourself a new car, and help support a great cause, because we are giving 20 grand, $20,000 to Hurricanes Heroes, the Hurricanes Heroes charity, for this giveaway. Good luck, guys. I'm sorry, it's hot. I drove like, dude, I don't know, I drove so slow. It's weird.
No, I believe it.
So crazy.
Speedo
man.
probably showed 60 the whole time.
Yeah, not even, I don't think.
Let it drop down a little.
I'm not gonna let it hit you in the nuts.
Thank God. Yeah, it's still up there. Should just drop right out.
Yeah. Got it. Okie doke.
That was the easy side.
There's a hard side? Yeah. Let me just maneuver it around here. All right.
Perfect.
Okay. Well, there you go. That junk's out of there. And that is the factory, Rich's factory exhaust. Barely any rust on them. And then just connect the Corsa over axle pipes right onto the factory location, factory mid pipe. You're good to go.
It always fits well. Corsa's always been good with that. just making sure like the tips are even, the mufflers are even,
Yeah.
all the pipes are in the same positioning. before
What's
you tighten
cool
everything together.
too is that they give you it like that, so that there's really, as long as you have everything correct.
Well, this is only one of the muffler or the tip designs. So for the extremes with the valves, it's 2 separate.
It has
tips.
2 separate ones. Okay.
But for these ones, it's one.
I like how
solid
that's all
piece.
one. So if you do that right, you shouldn't have any problem
Yeah,
lining
I
up
mean,
the tips then.
You can honestly use this to line up the rest of it, because once these are on and tightened, everything else can go into place. All the exhaust, this is the first one with the silver tips.
It is
be honest.
very rare. I have not seen, I've seen a lot of Corsas come through the shop. Very few have been polished, but it does look really, again, I think that's more Rich's thing, you know. I think he'll like that. If I can gain enough speed to coast into the driveway, shut it off before that, and then be like, yeah, there's something wrong with it, doesn't sound good, like you got to fire it up and just listen, like I don't know what you want to do, and then he hears that. Love that fit though. That looks incredible, way better. And I think polished was the right move, because again, he didn't do the blackout package. He's got all the chrome, all that, so that looks sweet. Go for it, buddy. Sorry, thanks for waiting. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. We'll say that it sounds a little weird, and then we'll see what he says. Ready? And I'm going to let Curtis fire it up, because it's been a while since I've heard a Corsa on a C7 Z. They're loud. Like I'm telling you guys, it may have only been a muffler change, but there's really no restriction on these cars except for the factory mufflers. It's just cats, the factory cats, and then now basically no muffler, because this is loud. Go ahead, buddy, let her rip. It's really loud, like really loud. Oh yeah. Dude, that's so freaking loud. So at idle, it's not crazy. Corsa does a good job of like making it not obnoxious when you don't really want it, but when you rev it, it is insane. What was that, like probably 3,000?
Yeah, it wasn't that.
Let her rip again, let me hear it. Oh, dude. Wow. Jesus. Wow. All right, let's get her home and see what Rich has to say about it. I am pumped. Thank you, Curtis.
Yeah, buddy.
Much love, buddy.
Be safe.
You be safe. I'll be safe. I got 4 wheels. You be safe.
Okay.
My job's easy. I don't have to worry about falling over. That's Rich's Corvette now. Oh my God. That is so freaking loud. Oh my God. Oh man, I hope his wife doesn't hate me for this one. This fire up every day in the garage. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. All right, well, it sounds amazing, so thank you, Corsa. And Jesus, that is gnarly. Wait for the car to go by. Let's see what he has to say. Good, good. It was real good. It is making, I won't lie, I was doing some donuts and it's making a little bit of a small noise now, but nothing like too crazy. I don't know if there's anything too wrong with it.
I have faith in you and the car.
I don't know if you
I'm
want to.
not worried about either one, my friend.
Well, just get in and see what you think. Like, seriously.
What are you talking about?
Just go ahead and get in there. And, well, I want you to, I just want to hear it. I want to make sure it's good.
Hear what?
I want to make sure that it's not making a weird noise. Honestly, I'm only filming this so that we have a record of this in case it's not.
What are you talking about? Wait a minute. Oh no! Oh Oh, man.
Go ahead and rev that sucker up a little bit. It's already warm.
Listen to that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Go ahead, give her a little.
Seriously.
Here, stand behind it.
Oh,
stand behind it.
What in the world? Holy moly! Man, oh man! Oh, that sounds so good! Dude, this is off the charts.
You gotta hear it to 7.
Oh my gosh, what an insane neighbor. This is off the charts. I can't believe it. I just can't believe it.
There you go, buddy.
Unbelievable.
Happy retirement.
Are you serious? Are you no, we got
like it?
Are you serious?
It's ready to go back on.
Are you kidding me? I love it. I mean, my gosh, I can't believe how much better it sounds.
It doesn't drone on the highway or nothing.
I can't. I just can't believe how much better it sounds.
Happy
I mean,
retirement.
Seriously.
It's for you, bud.
No.
Just a little Corsa Extreme on there. Looks. I did the polished tip, so it matches your chrome.
Oh yeah.
Cool it looks.
Oh my gosh.
That's cool, right?
Oh,
way
super cool. That is unbelievable.
Dude, are you wearing the same shirt as me?
He is.
Now, did we plan that or what? Come on.
That's a. Oh, you can't.
I know we got you the champagne, but I feel like I had to do a little something for you.
I was very happy with the champagne.
No. And I actually have something else for you that you can install yourself for a video. So let me get that. I'll be right back. This is one you can install yourself. I got you the matching red carbon fiber cold air intake.
Oh my gosh.
It's a pretty easy install. You can make a video, give you a little more power, no tune required, but it's red carbon. How sick is that?
This is sick.
That's right.
This is really sick. But what are you doing?
What?
Mike, jeez.
Look at you got your big filter on there. You got the top part's carbon as well. Well, it's all in there. It's all in there.
This is beyond my wildest
all you, buddy.
dreams.
It's all you.
I can't even say thank you enough. This is incredible.
No, you do enough for me.
I don't do anything
It's
for
been
you.
great living next to you for 4 years.
Oh, is that what? Is this a goodbye present? Is that what?
Well, not for a year, but no, this is your retirement present.
No, Mike, seriously.
Had to do it, buddy.
Thank you, man.
Fun day.
This is incredible.
So you didn't expect anything was afoot?
No.
Okay, I was a little worried. I was like, I had to make an excuse of why I was like gonna take his car for an hour and a half.
I wanted to take it out for a ride, and I'm like, okay.
See, and
no
luckily
problem.
he does trust me, so he
I
didn't
do.
really ask any questions.
Yeah, no, I was fine. I thought, okay, fine. Hey, I said take Gina and go for a really nice ride.
I will say, I kind of get the convertible now. It was awesome.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
I mean, I mean, did you go through some roads that at least do some downshifts?
Oh yeah.
Oh, good.
Oh, you'll see it.
Oh, I'll see it.
Looks like smiles.
Oh my gosh, dude, this is unbelievable.
You like it?
I can feel more power without question in the sound. You get on this bad boy. Unbelievable.
Oh yeah.
Unbelievable.
It's sweet, right?
I am so thankful. I can't believe
don't mention it, man.
Extremely sweet.
Dude, I can hear you from pretty far away now.
It's a dream.
I could hear you all the way away.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It is unbelievable. I love it.
Yeah, you like the little burbles on the,
and
just
it does
letting
the
it
little
come down a
burbles
little
now
bit.
too. You can hear that too. It's like, oh man, this has really made this from a really fast, incredible, beautiful Corvette to something that is just one step over that.
It wakes her up a little bit.
It does. You definitely, this is 100%. It's now.
I think it's a great success, guys. Great success.
A success. I'm floored. I'm really over the top, unbelievable. You are the man, without question.
I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Take care. Have a great night. I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to enter for the Supra and the Bronco. Ends real soon.